What's up, legends? Today, I've got 20 insane tips to help you get rich fast in Schedule 1. Whether you're just starting or deep in the grind, these tricks will save you time, money, and keep the cops off your back. Let's get into it. First tip is to dump bugging. Don't waste time picking up trash piece by piece. Dump everything in one pile, then scoop it all with one bag. It's way faster and you can make $100 plus per run. Just dump in a closed space so it doesn't fly everywhere. Tip 2, quick sorting. Hold your bag and scroll to adjust quantity or drag items to an empty slot for easier access. Shift click to auto sort. It's simple and saves you a ton of time. Tip 3, prepay your debt. Every time you order from a seller, it builds up debt. Drop your weed in the stash before ordering to autopay instantly. Keeps your credit clean and orders flowing. Tip 4, run from the cops. Got product on you? Just run. You'll trigger an alert, but cops are slow. Hide until your wanted bar disappears. Next tip we have is to save often. Before you head out, always save your game, especially if you're carrying good stuff. That way, if something goes wrong, just reload, but it doesn't work in multiplayer. Tip 6 we have is to rush the botanist. Once you unlock the warehouse, hire the botanist as soon as possible. She automates growing, which is the biggest time suck early game. Way better value than buying water or soil pots. Tip 7 is to use jars, not bags. Mid game, you'll have tons of green. Store it in a 5 grams jars to save space, and pair it with counter offers to sell in bulk and tweak prices. Next tip 8, skip dead drops. Once you're scaling, request dealer meets instead. They let you buy in bulk, skip depth, and speed up your supply chain big time. Another tip we have is to casino is OP. Slots are broken, hit the jackpot, raise your bet, and stand in one spot to hit multiple machines. Next tip is to smash ATMs. Need emergency cash? Hit ATMs or soda machines with a charged melee swing. Tip 11 is to rush dealers. Dealers sell your product passively. Unlock them by buttering up real world contacts even before they order. A few days of good deals and they'll go friendly. Next tip is to use the mix calculator. Why guest? Use the community made site to test recipes and find the best mixes. You can save money and boost profit. Next tip is pickpocketing. Sneak up, hit space at the right time, and grab cash or items. Sell then, pickpocket it back if you're feeling scummy. If you fail, just run or throw hands. Next tip we have is to sell one product early. Stick to one strain early on. It prevents shortages, makes storage easier, and keeps things simple while you're growing. Down to our next tip, tip 15. Use the packing station combo. Upgrade to the packager plus packing station setup because it automates jar packing and pairs perfectly with the botanist. It's a total game changer for mid-game flow. Next tip we have is tip 16. Sell crystal as soon as possible. Once unlocked, crystal is your moneymaker. It's addictive, sells high, and explodes your orders. Just make sure you have enough cooking stations. Next tip is tip 17. Bypass checkpoints. If you walk through a checkpoint empty, the next time they often won't search you. It's not guaranteed, but it's a quick way to sneak stuff through. Next is don't kill cops. Killing a cop equals instant death or alive mode. If you do, clear the area fast or you're toast. Better to run than fight. Next is play multiplayer. You'll level up way faster with others. You can split roles, grow faster, dominate the map, and you can use the Discord to find teammates, but don't beg for free games, just be cool. Tip 20 is to use your time right. Don't waste hours grinding, trash, or running small orders. Focus on scaling systems, both stores, dealers, chemists. The sooner you automate, the richer you get. And that's it. 20 killer tips to master Schedule 1 and stack that in game cash fast.